Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. So you might have seen the trip where I went out in this, one of the Aldi / Lidl specials. I'm not quite sure what this one is. I think it's a little one. It's the Inshore 335V, whatever the hell all of that means. Not the most comfortable boat. By the time I got back, it had gone really soft. Now, the folding man, yeah, that one there, he set me a challenge to do a re-entry into this. It's soft as heck. He said his logic was infaultable really, because he said, well, you'd be more likely to try and get back in, you know, when you're tired at the end of the trip if you fall out. So I guess he's got a point. All right, let's put it back in the water. Right, let's go out. Curse you folding man.
Oh, it looks a lot easier.
This is just filling up. Okay, so it is doable. Although I am sat in about 10 litres of water, I think. Let's do it again, just to prove that it's actually not a fluke. In fact, I'm curious if it's flipped. Is it easy to flip back over? I've lost it! I've lost my boat!
Got the banana though.
So it is doable. If you like the mad stuff that I do on this channel, you know what to do about liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. And thank you to the folding man for this little challenge. God, that was more tiring than some of the others I've done. Cheers, thanks for watching. Getting out of this thing is just awful. It's like trying to climb out of a sponge. Cheers.
You need to be back in a minute.
Tubes in. All right. On it go.